Need to convert a PDF to PNG on your Mac? This video will show you how to do it quickly and easily using built-in tools, preview and shortcuts. PNGs are great for web graphics and editing, while PDFs are ideal for documents. We'll cover everything you need to know to get started. Preview is the default PDF viewer on macOS and offers a simple export function. Start by opening your PDF in Preview. Next, go to the File menu and select Export. In the Export window, select PNG as the format. Adjust the resolution if needed. 300 dpi is good for print quality, while 72 dpi works for web use. Choose a save location and click Save. For multi-page PDFs, repeat this process for each page as Preview exports one page at a time. PDFs are vector-based files that use mathematical descriptions to preserve text, layout, and graphics with perfect fidelity, making them ideal for documents that need to look the same on any device. However, they're not optimized for pixel-based image editing. In contrast, PNGs are raster-based images composed of individual pixels, which makes them perfect for web graphics, photo editing, and any application where you need transparency or detailed image manipulation. When you convert a PDF to PNG, each page gets transformed into a pixel-based image. While you lose the ability to edit text directly, you gain compatibility with image editing software and can use the result in presentations or web content. Shortcuts is a powerful automation tool built into macOS that can streamline repetitive tasks like PDF conversions. To get started, open the Shortcuts app from your Applications folder or Spotlight search. Once open, create a new shortcut by clicking the plus button or using the New Shortcut option. Add the Render PDF Pages as Images action from the search bar or automation category. This action handles the conversion process. For input, you can drag and drop your PDF file directly into the shortcut or add a Find Files action to automatically locate PDFs in a specific folder. Next, add a Save Image action to specify the output location and format for your PNG files. You can choose the folder and naming convention. Finally, run the shortcut. It will automatically convert all pages of your PDF to individual PNG files, saving you time on batch conversions. Shortcuts offers advanced customization options to enhance your PDF to PNG conversions. You can add specific actions to resize the converted images, rename them automatically, or even upload them directly to a cloud service like iCloud Drive. The flexibility of shortcuts makes it perfect for batch processing multiple PDF files at once, handling repetitive conversion tasks efficiently. Experiment with different combinations of actions to build the ideal PDF to PNG conversion workflow tailored to your specific needs. When uploading converted PNGs to iCloud Drive, make sure the iCloud service is enabled in your settings. This allows automatic cloud storage and access to your files across all your Apple devices seamlessly. For the best results, always start with a high-quality PDF. A clear, well-scanned, or properly created PDF ensures that all details, text, and images are preserved during conversion. When exporting, choose a resolution that matches your intended use. 300 dpi is recommended for print-quality images, providing sharp detail for physical printing. 72 dpi is sufficient for web use, where smaller file sizes are prioritized over ultra-high clarity. Keep in mind that higher resolutions will result in larger file sizes. While 300 dpi offers excellent quality, it increases storage and processing requirements compared to 72 dpi for digital display. Name your output files in a structured manner, such as adding sequential numbers to the name or using the Shortcuts app for automated naming. This helps organize multiple converted pages and prevents confusion. Always check the outputs to ensure they captured all the contents correctly. Verify that text is readable, images are clear, and no pages were missed in the conversion process. If your converted PNGs appear blurry or low quality, the issue is usually related to resolution settings. In Preview's export dialog, increase the resolution to at least 300 dpi for print quality results. Higher DPI values like 600 will produce sharper images, but result in larger file sizes. If Shortcuts fails to convert your PDF, first check if the file is password protected. Protected PDFs cannot be processed without the correct credentials. Also verify the PDF isn't corrupted. Try opening it in Preview first. If it opens but won't convert, the file may have damaged content. Preview can efficiently handle PDFs up to 100 pages on modern Macs with M2 or M3 chips, but older hardware may struggle with very large files. Memory-intensive conversions can cause slowdowns or crashes on systems with limited RAM. If you're using an older Mac, consider converting in smaller batches or upgrading hardware. For complex PDFs with layered graphics or multiple elements, Preview may not render all layers perfectly during conversion. Test with a small sample page first to verify the output meets your expectations. If layers are missing or graphics appear distorted, consider alternative export methods or third-party tools that better handle layered content. If built-in tools continue to have issues, consider third-party applications like Adobe Acrobat or online converters. These often provide more advanced options for handling complex files, but remember, they may have subscription costs. Always back up your original PDFs before using any conversion tool.